What's the meaning of Brian Clough? Brian Clough. Brian Clough.
Brian Clough. Brian Clough. Brian Clough was an English football player and manager, widely regarded as one of the greatest managers in the history of the sport. He managed several successful clubs including Derby County and Nottingham Forest, leading them to multiple domestic and European titles. Clough was known for his outspoken opinions and charismatic personality, but also faced controversy and criticism throughout his career. Despite this, he remains a beloved figure among football fans and is remembered for his legacy of success and his impact on the sport.